On-page SEO is the backbone of your website's visibility. It works by optimizing everything on your page, from metadata, headings, and content, to images, videos, links, schema, local SEO, and even social sharing readiness. But managing all of that across multiple tools? That's where Digispot AI SEO Insights comes in, your complete SEO toolkit, all in one Chrome extension, available one click on your web browser. Metadata like your title, URL, canonical URL, meta description, mobile readiness, crawlability, and indexability are essential for search engine visibility and ranking success. Our extension can instantly analyze and decode all these critical factors with a single click, and can also provide AI analysis for metadata using an LLM provider you configure.
Headings are also thoroughly analyzed, processing their natural order and hierarchy for any SEO gaps. The extension quickly visualizes these heading gaps and also offers an AI analysis, giving you the option to update the industry and intent to get headings recommended as per your page needs. The AI action prompts are available for your edit in addition to the LLM provider and model choices as part of the config section. You can also accept, reject, preview changes, and even download the existing and proposed headings as a CSV file using our extension. The Content AI Audit analyzes your content for basics like total words, reading time, and readability, alongside detailed keyword analysis such as unigrams, bigrams, and trigrams. Having all of this in one place saves you time and helps prevent potential SEO errors.
Content is king, and our extension analyzes page content for EEAT keywords, visualized for your success as per Google and other search engine best practices. Our extension also analyzes links, both internal and external, for SEO best practices, presenting the details under the Links tab panel. Similarly, we also have the images, video, social share readiness like OG card, Twitter card too, analyzed and presented. We also present the schema markup added to the page, both in raw and graph models for easy visualization, along with the validations we perform. The extension also processes and detects local SEO or local business SEO signals, including name, address, phone number, local business and review, and Google Map details for search success in local area results. PageSpeed tab helps you perform a real test with Google's PageSpeed API in both mobile and desktop mode. PageSpeed performance plays a key role in Google search rankings. We are also proud to introduce a Magic Inspect feature where you can view SEO insights overlaid on top of the web page as you scroll and view the elements like headings, images, videos, and links. Just hover on an element to get what works and what needs improvement. Interesting, right? You can also view the extension in full screen to read and analyze details in a larger screen size to visualize better. You can download all these insights as a text report and use that to share with teams, raising tickets on engineering and content teams. The Config tab supports AI provider selection among Gemini, OpenAI, Claude, and DeepSeek. You can pick your favorite model based on cost and accuracy needs. The prompt templates are editable as per your needs, and they get saved in local. PageSpeed API key, too, can be added for performance testing. API keys are saved encrypted and only stay in your local browser. Work with the power of AI, customized as per your needs with no fear, as everything stays local.